do you know how much space trash there is in space?
There's a lot.
There is a lot of space
There's that
trash.
famous picture where it looks... Oh, there is the
this one.
famous picture.
This
Yeah.
one.
Which is, it looks like the Earth is surrounded. Like, if you were in space, you wouldn't be able to see the Earth, but obviously it's an exaggeration because those pieces of junk would be the size of cities.
Yeah, well, there's that, and there's also the fact that like that's sort of showing how many bits and pieces we have in the sky.
Hundreds of thousands, right?
But
Millions?
Millions, I would have thought.
Wow.
Like, there's, what is it? 70%. Sorry, of the known tracked space junk, 70% is in low Earth orbit, which extends about 1,250 miles, 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface.
Wow.
But hundreds of thousands of man-made objects are zipping around our planet, from dead satellites to errant nuts and bolts, which, if you think about it, is massively dangerous. Like, for satellites, imagine just, a stray bolt.
Is this a problem now, though?
I think it is. There was a satellite that was taken out by bolts, and also things like
Because space is big.
shuttles. Like the
Yeah, you're right. Even if there's like a small chance.
a bolt
Yeah.
orbiting the Earth,
Whizzing
and
past.
shapow. It's you're not gonna recover from one of those going through you, or going
No,
through your
that's
ship
for sure.
that matter. But
That's pretty intense. And there's a space station up there.
an estimated 500,000 pieces between 0.4 inches and 4 inches across join those larger there's 23,000 known man-made fragments larger than about 4 inches, and then an extra 500,000 of slightly smaller. But no, it's I just find it amazing that this is a problem. We were discussing the other day about junk on the Earth, but we're already spreading it into space, and
Yeah.
it's amazing, because I always thought that would be the answer to junk.
Well, it would be.
Rocket it away.
It would be if we can actually get it to escape
going.
Earth's orbit. Because, blast... Like, I'm probably going to take some heat for this one, but nuclear waste is not really a problem, because the idea that we're not going to work out a way to efficiently dispose of nuclear waste in the next half century is a bit silly, and there's plenty of ways to safely store it. If we, within the next 50 years, let's say we work out a very cheap way of getting things into orbit, however that might be, there'll probably be some technological breakthrough, or we'll work out just some way of cheaply doing
Musk.
it. Elon will save us. Just put it on a spaceship and fly it into the sun, because there's...
It's less far to go than go intergalactic.
Yeah, and it's the sun. You know what's not going to be affecting the sun? Nuclear waste. Yeah, just our shit. Just blast it into the sun.
Do you know, you say that, and then we'll blast it into the sun,
and the sun will blow
explode.
up. Yeah. Be like, shit, we should have seen that one coming.
How did we not see this coming?
God damn it.
I kind of know what you mean. Yeah,
This is a problem, though, because this is like tightly around the Earth, orbiting, where we're trying to put stuff that's super useful to us.
And there's somewhere in this article there's detailed about two satellites which crashed into each other, and they sent off thousands of
I heard about that.
thousands of
small
small pieces. And of course, you think of it sort of in isolation, like everything, like having a satellite there is interesting. But how many satellites are actually up there? There's thousands of them.
There's a lot of satellites. There's a lot of space, though.
There is a lot of space.
But that's 500,000 pieces of crap floating around? Eventually something's going to hit something.
Something will hit something, and something will break something, and then you have to go and replace that something, and it's just a vicious circle of junk.
It wasn't in this article. Is this scientific? Where was this? National Geo.
National Geo.
There was... it wasn't here. I read about it, or maybe I even made a video about it.
Possible.
There's like the idea of the chain reaction. So like two satellites hit each other, and then so you've got two things. And then you smash them together, and you've got 10,000 things. Mm-hmm. And then one of those things will hit another satellite and make 10 things. And you can have this crazy chain reaction where suddenly,
anarchy.
Tons of stuff is destroyed, and our cell phones and GPS and internet stops working.
Well, this is it.
Because there's...
You don't think of it like that. You think, it's a satellite. It's like Google
chain
Maps
reactions,
or something
man.
like that. But it's GPS. It's digital radios. Everything like that. Everything is...
Is digital radio satellites?
I would have thought so.
Satellite... I don't even know how it works. Yeah, I guess it must be, because some people call it satellite radio, right? Wasn't it called satellite radio back in the day? Like, you'd have a car, it would have satellite radio. It's
you
like,
had a satellite phone. I don't know.
Satellite phone. Doesn't matter. Either way, if all the satellites go away, it's going to be real bad for us.
Really bad. So we don't want that. No, it's I just thought it was really interesting to sort of look at like this as a representation. It's
What are we gonna do? We're gonna have to get like astronaut bin men.
maybe not a bad idea. That's,
Gonna have to do something about this eventually.
did you hear about there was some piece of a satellite fell into someone's garden the other day?
Really?
Yeah, it dropped out. I think it might have been a Lad Bible thing. So
Sounds lad Bible.
how accurate it was, I don't know. But there was a piece of space debris fell and landed in someone's garden, and it was just like it said like space something on it.
No, it didn't.
100%.
Google. I gotta know.
I will Twitter this once I find it.
All right.
I'll-
that's a good plug.
I'll tweet it at This Is Sam Myers.
There you go.
There you go.
MEYERS.
MEYERS. True. Got to point that out.
Gotta point that out.
Yeah.